Okay, so welcome again on my YouTube channel. So this time I will be discussing on how to get the square of a binomial. So there are two cases in squaring a binomial. First one is we have a plus b squared. So this simply means that we are going to multiply a plus b by itself. That is why we have a plus b times a plus b, which is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So it simply means that we are going to get the square of the first term, a, then we will take the twice of the product of a and b, then we will take the square of the last term, which is b. That is for case number 1. Case number 2 is we have a minus b squared. So that is equal to a minus b times a minus b, which is equal to a squared. We will take the square of our first term, then multiply or get the twice of a and b, twice the product of a and b, then the squares of our last term, which is b. So that is in case number 2. So I have here 4 examples for us to illustrate those cases mentioned. So first one is x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. This is in case number 1. So in case number 1, we will take the square of our first term. We have x, get the square, then take the product of the first and the last. We have 3x multiplied by 2. So 3 times x, we have 3x twice the product of the first and the last term. Okay, so plus 3 squared, squares of the last term, which is 3. So to simplify, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. So that is for number 1. Number 2. In number 2, we have x minus 2 squared. So that is, it corresponds to case number 2, x minus 2 times x minus 2, which will become, we will take the square of our first term. We have x squared, then get the product of the first and the last, twice the product, which is 2x, then get the square of our last term, which is negative 2, then simplify. So we have here x squared minus 4x plus 4. Negative 2 times negative 2, that is equal to positive 4. So we have here the result x squared minus 4x plus 4. Third example, we have 2x minus 1 squared. So that is in case number 2. So we have 2x minus 1. So first term, get the square, 2x. Then we will multiply negative 2 to the product of the first and the last. So we will take the product of 2x and 1. So we have 2x. Then square of the last term, which is negative 1. So to simplify, we have here 4x squared, negative 2 times 2, that is negative 4x. Then we have positive 1. So we have here the result for x squared minus 4x plus 1. Number 4 example, 2x plus 3. So we will take the square of the first term, 2x squared, then twice the product of the first and the last, 3 times 2x, that would be 6x. Then get the square of the last term, we have 3 squared. Then simplify. So we have 4x squared for 2x squared. Then 2 times 6, we have 12x. Then positive 9. So those are the process on how to get the square of a binomial. So I just hope that you have learned something in my discussion. So again, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, then click the notification bell for you to be updated on my next videos. Thank you.